Okay, I have started recording the second part from here only. So what I did, I'm just back portion. I'm just adding bit more muzzle over here. Okay. Then I'll come over here. This particular part is over here. This is somewhere here. Something like this. Okay, it's something like this. So from all the angle we have to do. Okay. So got an output something like this up to here now. So I'll select the face 1, 2, 3. Select this 3 face. Okay. So here I have pushed this bit inside. Then I'll shift right click and extrude. I'll extrude this. Bring this outside. Okay. Same way, select this 3 face. See, select this 3 face. Extrude this. Make this smaller. Make this smaller. And you just place it outside. Select this 3 face again. Extrude. Make this smaller. A very little. Same thing. Select this 3 face. Extrude. Smaller. Like this. Okay. Then after this, okay, now anyhow we have done up to here. See guys, this is output we are getting. That means select this mesh, mirror, merge threshold 0.01. If I press 3, this is the output I'm getting. Understood? Any doubt is there? It's quite simple, right? It's not that complicated. But we need to learn the mesh flow, that's it. Okay?
Yeah, it makes sense.
Yeah. So now what I'll do, go to face mode, exact half, deselect these things, delete the left side. So you got it up to here. Now, these are the things we need to work on. That means select this. This is something like this. It's like this. Again, this is something like this. This is something like this. Again, this is something like this. Okay. Something like this. Okay. So arrange this mesh properly. That's okay. So after this, we need to add a few more mesh over here. That is here in the center part. So what I'll do, we need to go to insert edge loop, add one mesh here. at the center. Okay, deselect everything. Only this three line you select. The first three line outside. Same way, add one mesh here. Okay, you can add one here. Okay, one you can add. So here what I'll do, you can select one, two, one, two, and three. This three outside. Again this three a bit outside. It can't be flat. That's the reason. This three outside. Something like this. So okay. After this, I'll add one more edge loop somewhere over here. Exactly. This one inside like this. Okay, deselect this. This should go inside like this. And bring this outside. Something like this. It has to be a bit curvy. Okay, something like this. Okay, something like this is done. Any doubt is there up to here? So later even what I can do, I can add one more mesh here. Insert edge loop here. Like this. Okay, so these are the minute details which we have done. Okay, so what I'll do, edit, delete Y type history, modify freeze transform, modify center pivot. I'll save this as 02. Okay, okay guys, this is the output. We got it. Now let me mirror this. Threshold is 0.01 and press 3. This is the output. We got it. Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
So this is filled with the solid mass. Okay, mass, volume, everything is there for this particular model. See, this character itself is like that. The Arnold model, so it is so heavy, so extreme mass is there. So it should be something like this only. So you have to refer, even in smooth mode also you can refer, you can even fine tune things. Okay, still we can do a lot of fine tuning. Okay, so fine, you guys do up to here. Okay, next we'll continue the neck part, shoulder part. Before that, we have to do a detailing of the back portion. Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine. I'll stop recording.